Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply link accounts on Bloons TD6. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, simply access your Bloons TD6 app, right? Simply access it, and there in the section all you have to do is simply tap on your account profile page and then tap on this option of settings that will be on top right corner of the screen. Simply go ahead, tap on it. It will simply access to this particular options in the bottom section, which includes this option of accounts. All you have to do afterwards is tap on this accounts option, and now it will redirect you to this Ninja Kiwi tab where it will let you link your account. Here in this get a linking code, here in this section select that particular option, and there you go, you have plenty of options. First, you can choose to link your account with email. Tap on it, enter the email, verify it, done. Same for the Twitch. Tap on it, enter the Twitch account's information, and confirm and verify yourself. You will be done. You can also choose to do the same with the Steam, and you do have additional account links, which includes login with Amazon. Here in this section, you can choose to log in with that, or you can simply choose to remove it as well. This will simply do, all you have to do is simply the follow steps as I have shown you over here, and you will be able to link your account. So guys, this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.